So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your wings or your panel. Like, it's really simple. Okay, you can go to their website over here. Okay, this is a pterodactyl.io. Okay, and you need to come to documentation, or you can press on let's start. Okay, so come down over here and you can see is update the panel. Okay, updating the panel, and you need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down. They had a automatically upgrading system before, but they removed it because it couldn't do the upgrades by itself. Now we have to do it manually. So you need to run this commands. Okay, enter your machine and your panel will stop working now, as you can see. Okay, service unavailable because we are putting it down now. So now we need to download the files which we need for the upgrade. It will download it from GitHub, and that should be fast. Now we are giving permission for storage, and now we are updating dependencies if there are any updates for it and optimizing it. So yes, keep in mind that you need to do this in a root user, okay, not in any other user, because you need some permissions to do this. So then we copy the next commands. We need to copy this both commands. Sorry about the search. Copy. Now we wait until this. So now we wait for this installation. So the installation is done now. So we'll run the commands. Sorry, not plus. And now we scroll down. Migrate database. Yeah, that's done. So setting permissions, you need to run this if you are using Ubuntu. For Nginx and Apache, if you are using CentOS, you need to do for Nginx this command, and for Apache this command. So we are using the normal server, which is Ubuntu. So we're gonna use this one. So restart query, the worker, which is responsible to restart your panel whenever you reboot your machine. And now up. So keep in mind that everything you have done, okay, gets erased on the panel. So here you can see my server is online, and now we're gonna upgrade the wing also. Okay, upgrading wings. Wing is really easy. Okay, just copy all this and then paste it on your wing server. I have the wing installed on the same server, so I'm gonna do it here only. So that's done. Okay, and restart wings. And if you want to see, you can see your wings over here in nodes. Okay, these nodes are not connected, that's why they are red. Only this node is connected, and as you can see, the nodes are connected. So guys, this was it. Okay, keeping in mind that only when you update the panel, everything goes. Okay, all your add-ons, all your plugins which you have installed and all, okay, from the panel. Okay, all the eggs which you add, okay, they are still there, they don't go anywhere. Only thing is all the extra work you do, which is your theme and all the add-ons, they will go. So this was it, guys, for this video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know on my Discord server. Okay, and yeah, this was it, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.